If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Republic Go, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from Republic Company. Sometimes, the verification process requires you to confirm your email address. Look for any messages in your inbox or spam folder. Step 2. Review your account information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Submit required documents. If you haven't already, submit any required identification documents. This may include a government-issued ID or proof of address. Follow the guidelines provided on the platform for acceptable document formats. Step 4. Contact support. If your verification is still pending after completing the previous steps, reach out to Republic Go's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain your situation for faster assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient while they review your case. Verification can take some time, so check your email regularly for updates or further instructions from Republic Company. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue and continue using your Republic Go account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.